Hello guys, welcome to Excel Path. Today we are going to see some of the important formulas in the Excel, okay, which will be very effective for your day-to-day activities, right? So these are the requirements. I need to drive the values from the given data, okay? So I will read out my requirement. What is this? How many employees in the organization? How many team members in the organization? And total salary for the employees, average salary of a team member, minimum salary of in the organization, maximum salary in the organization, and get the employee name by position, get the salary by the employee name, get the value based on two values, which is criteria, right? So these are the formulas we are going to use to complete the requirement. Okay, I'm going to use the first formula, which is counter. Yeah. For counter, you have to select the range. Okay, so since we have 10 employees in the range, the counter return as a value 10. Okay, then I'm going to use countif formula, right? So for countif, you have to select the range, then you have to give the criteria. So I'm giving the criteria. It is giving me 4. So since we have 4 team members, it is giving me the value 4. Then I'm going to use some value to get the total salary of 4 employees, right? Then I have to get the average salary for the team member. For that, I am going to select only team member salary to get the average, right? So it is giving me average. And what is the minimum salary in the organization? For that, I'm using min formula to get the minimum value, and I'm going to use max formula to get the maximum value in salary range, right? It giving me maximum max value in the range. Then I'm going to get the employee name based on the position. So first I'm going to get the I'm going to get value for who is our MD, right? For that I'm going to use offset formula, and I'm going to give the reference. Okay, I'm going to give P1 as a reference, so it will offset the cell based on the column and rows I'm giving, right? So to find the row, I'm going to use the match formula. Okay, in match formula, this is the this is my lookup value, which is MD in J8 cell. Okay, and this is my array, right? And my value should be my match should be exact. Here I gave B1 as a reference, so it will take B2 as 1. Okay, in the the offset cells. So for that I'm giving -1 to consider from the reference. Okay, then how many columns? So this is a B column. I need where I need to take the values is B. So for that I'm giving 0 offset in the column. It is giving me who is our MD, right? So who is our manager is Ramesh. So based on this formula, you can get the value from the left side. Okay, so you will come to know why this offset is I used offset instead of VLOOKUP, right? So then I'm going to the VLOOKUP formula, right? So this is my criteria. I have to get the salary by employee name. For that I'm going to put VLOOKUP formula. Okay, this is my lookup value, and this is my table array. Okay, in that what is my column index is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is my column index, and I'm getting the values, right? So Ramesh getting 30,000 salary and Ram getting 28,000 salary. I'm going to we are going moving to the next requirement, which is we have to get the values based on two criteria. Okay, so first criteria is name, and second criteria what is his position is, right? For that H lookup, right? So what is my lookup values? Position, right? So this is my array. Okay, and that what is my row index number? For that again I'm going to use the match formula, and this is my lookup value. Okay, where I have to search is here, and so I'll give I need exact match, and here also I need exact match. Okay, so what is run this position is MD, and what is salary is 50,000, right? And if you are looking for relevant, you're getting salary of 22,450, and what is age is 28. So here we have fulfilled our requirement based on these formulas. Okay, so so if you want to know any special formulas, leave it in comment. I will explain you in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.